Kindly subscribe, click on the post notification, and please do give this video a thumbs up. Now, it seems like DJ Black Coffee is well updated with what people are saying about him after their divorce was settled, and he has come out now to, just tell the world or tell the people that have been saying certain things or posting his children to please stop doing that. Taking to Twitter, he said, "I understand that you people believe everything you read, and that's fine. As a father, I have one request. Please stop posting my children on your socials." So DJ Black Coffee doesn't want people posting his kids on their social media, and he is somewhat throwing shade because we did read about Enhle Mbali getting 50% of whatever he owns, right? But people are taking it with a pinch of salt. Somebody said he shouldn't have messed up their life and hurt them by cheating on their mother. Wait, are you talking about the ones you had out of your marriage? You guys are so petty. Well, some of you, very, very petty. Another one said, "That is something you should have thought about before you went on and did what you did, Grootman. Unfortunately, the internet and social media community doesn't operate the way you want, so either you accept that or take accountability." One said, "We live in a sick society. They see nothing wrong posting minors on social media." Now, some people were standing by him by saying that it is actually wrong for people to post his children on social media. Another one said, "You opened the conversation after you went on that podcast and spilled the beans. You should have allowed things to slide as well. We all expected. And by the way, those also have mothers who wouldn't mind us posting their pictures." Very confusing. But anyways, so a lot of people were just under the comment section sharing their opinion on how they feel about the whole situation. Some people did say that, children are off limits. And I honestly do agree. Because let's be honest, children didn't choose to be born in, a famous household. They didn't choose that. Even if they did, let's say they did. Children are just innocent, if you know what I mean. But do let me know your thoughts. Thank you for